Hello everybody, welcome to Sanvi Prithviraj Education channel. Today we are going to discuss about most important questions with answer NMS and NTSC for 8th and 10th standard students. Science Chemistry Series 5. So friends, see this video completely. Now let us start the video. Question number 41. The other reactant and product of the chemical reaction MgSO4 plus dash gives rise to dash plus Na2SO4 respectively are option 1 Na2CO3 and MgCO3, option 2 NaHCO3 and MgCO3, option 3 Na2CO3 and Mg under bracket SCO3 bracket close twice, option 4 either 2 or 3. Correct answer is option 1 Na2CO3 and MgCO3. Question number 42. The homogeneous in nature among the following are option A ice, option B wood, option C soil, option D air. Option 1 A and C, option 2 B and D, option 3 A and D, option 4 C and D. Correct answer is option 3 A and D. Question number 43. The incorrect statement with respect to Dalton's atomic theory is option 1 an atom can neither be created nor be destroyed, option 2 atoms of one element can be converted to another, option 3 elements are made up of atoms, option 4 atoms of different elements combine in integral ratio to form a compound. Correct answer is option 2 atoms of one element can be converted to another. Question number 44. Assertion A. Calcium bicarbonates and magnesium chlorides cause hardness in water. Option reason are calcium sulfates are soluble in water but not the magnesium carbonate. Option 1 both A and R are correct but R is not the explanation of A. Option 2 both A and R are correct and R is the explanation of A. Option 3 A is correct and R is incorrect. Option 4 A is incorrect and R is correct. Correct answer is option 1 both A and R are correct but R is not the explanation of A. Question number 45. The correct order of stages in purification of water is A. Coagulation, B. Deodorization, C. Filtration, E. Decolorization, D. Sterilization. Option 1 D, A, B, C, E, 2 B, C, A, D, E, 3 A, B, C, E, D, 4 A, C, E, B, D. Correct answer is option 4 A, C, E, B, D. Question number 46. Coating can be done through A. Electroplating, B. Displacement reaction. Option both A and B are correct. Option 2 both A and B are incorrect. Option 3 only A is correct. Option 4 only B is correct. Correct answer is option 3 only A is correct. Question number 47. Assertion A. Sodium hydroxide pellets kept in air for some time becomes moist. Reason are the loss of water occurs from hydrated compounds to the surroundings. Option 1 both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation for A. Option 2 A is correct and R is incorrect. Option 3 A is incorrect and R is correct. 4 both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation for A. Correct answer is option 1 both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation for A. Question number 48. The observations in Rutherford's experiment are A thin gold foil is made to vibrate against high speed positively charged alpha particles. B. Most of the alpha particles deflected at very large angles from their original direction. Option 1 both A and B are true. 2 A is true but not B. 3 both A and B are false. 4 B is true but not A. Correct answer is option 3 both A and B are false. Question number 49. The non-example for the salts causing hardness to the water is option 1 magnesium chloride, 2 calcium carbonate, 3 calcium bicarbonate, 4 calcium sulfate. Correct answer is option 2 calcium carbonate. Question 50. The property of chlorine for which nascent oxidant is responsible is A. Bleaching property, B. Sterilizing property. 1 only A is correct, 2 only B is correct, 3 both A and B are correct, 4 both A and B are incorrect. Correct answer is option 3 both A and B are correct. Thanks for watching the video. Next series, please subscribe the channel and share this video to all 8th and 10th standard students and competitive exam preparing friends. for seeing this video completely. Thank you and all. We will meet again in next video. Until bye bye.